Here's a fun little reporting hack you can use in Google Analytics 4's explorations. So if you've messed around with the explorations, you've noticed that they have this really nice line chart feature that shows you anomalies and things like that, and it's really cool. But you can only add one value to this. You can't add multiple values. So I had a client recently ask, is there a way that we could see on this chart like this, something that shows the number of sessions and the number of new users on the same chart? There is a way you can do it. It's a little hack, it's a little workaround, but it works just fine. So it'll create a chart that looks just like this, that shows multiple values on the same chart. So how does it work? Cool. So the first thing that we do is we import the event name as a dimension. So if you recall in Google Analytics 4, everything's an event. Sessions, an event. New users, that's an event. There's an event that fires on the browser for new users, for sessions, for purchases, everything that you care about in Google Analytics 4, with a few very small exceptions about metrics, are just events that fire in Google Analytics 4. So how are we going to get multiple things on this chart? We're going to import the event name. Everything's an event. We just got to break it down by event. And then we're going to put the event count as the value. You can see that there, right? We can't put, on this chart, I can't put new users on this same chart. So I can just replace it like that. So what do I do here is I go here, I put event count as the total, and then I go and I create a filter where event name matches the regex, because a regex is the only way, a regex, a regular expression, we can put in multiple values with this little hack. So what we do is we have to know the name of the event that we're interested in. So if we want sessions and new users, we have first visit is actually what Google Analytics uses to record new users. It's exactly identical to new users. So that's the event that fires when Google thinks it sees a user for the first time. So it's exactly identical to new users. And then session start is the event that it fires when a new session starts. So it may not be a new user, but it's definitely a new session. Google Analytics fires a session start event. So we use this regex. We say the event name matches the regex first visit, and then this pipe. It's called a pipe character. It's the vertical line. It's just above the forward slash on your keyboard. So if you do shift forward slash on your keyboard, you find this pipe character there. It's just a vertical line like that. And then session start. What this says is match the regex where the event name equals first visit or session start. And you click apply, and you will get a chart that looks like this. Pretty cool. This is what it looks like without the chart. This is just all events, right? The one other thing you have to do, break down by event name like that. So you're going to break down by event name, and then you're going to add that filter. So this is all events, not very useful. We need to filter that for the events that we're interested in. And the way we do that is with that matches regex and then the pipe character that I mentioned. So session start, pipe character, doesn't matter what the order is, and then first visit. Cool. Click apply. All right, good. So there you go. All right, I'm going to show you another example of this that I use a fair amount that's reasonably helpful. And that's how can you get like the full e-commerce funnel over time. This is a really cool application of this. So it's exactly the same thing. I've got my breakdown by event name here. I've selected the line chart. I'm breaking it down by event name. You can select whatever granularity you want, and the values are going to be the event count. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say the event name matches this regex. View item, pipe character, add to cart, pipe character, begin checkout, pipe character, add shipping info, pipe character, and purchase. And you can see that creates the chart here with all of these over time. It has the nice anomaly features, stuff like that there as well. So that's how you can create a line chart that shows multiple events on it. Hope you find that useful. Check out more tutorials by subscribing to our YouTube channel here. And also you can check out our intro to Google Analytics for Shopify stores in the link in the description as well. Thanks.